Now we are going to discuss the if else if statements in Python. So to understand that, first we will write the syntax. If we mention some condition, if condition, if the condition is true, it executes statement 1. Okay. If the condition is a false, this given condition is a false, it executes statement 2. That means if the condition is true, condition true, statement 1 will execute. If the condition is a false, it will come under the else part and it will execute the statement 2. So this is the basic syntax of the if else in the Python. We will try to write code for it. Wait a minute, I erase all this. So now we will write a small code to understand what it will be. Now we are writing small program on if else statement. A is a one variable, A is equal to, in the A variable I am storing some value 6, in the B variable I am storing some value 3. Okay. Next I am writing if condition. If A is greater than B, you put your colon, that is the syntax of the Python. So if A is greater than B, what you have to do? Print, we are saying to computer, print A is greater than B. Okay. Else, if it is not satisfied, A greater than B not satisfied, we are saying to computer, print A is not greater than B. Okay. So now here you have to put colon, that is a if greater than, here you have to put colon, at the else also you have to put colon. This is syntax of the Python. So we are written A equal to value 6, B value 3. If A greater than B, prints the A is greater than B statement. Otherwise it will print the A is not greater than B. So we know by seeing we can identify 6 greater than 3. That means it want to be print A is greater than B. We will check it, execute, shift enter. So you got A is greater than B. So we'll try to change the values. For example, you take this value 10. So now we'll check. Now B is a greater than A. So B is greater than A means what? It will come first it will come to here. It will check 6 greater than 10. No, it will come to the else part. So it will write A is not greater than B. When I change AB values, now check it, shift enter. A is not greater than B. So like this we can play. So here using if else statement, we are written small program. If condition is true, it is writing this part. If the condition is false, it is writing else part. Okay. So now in this I want to be, if you want to include one more condition, how to increase one more condition? Here what we are saying, A is greater than B, A is not greater than B. So this is only useful for if else. If I want to be add one more condition, then you have to go for else if statement. So this else if, ELIF, that is nothing but the else if statement. Okay. We again write for that. A is equal to, I'm taking some already. Okay, A is equal to some 7, B is equal to some 11. Okay. So now if condition, if A greater than B colon, if A is greater than B, print, for computer we are saying A is greater than B. Okay. So next I want to be include one more condition. How to include one more condition means else if. You simply write ELIF. This is else if statement. Syntax is ELIF. So now what I am doing means I am checking B greater than A. B greater than A. Okay. If A is greater than B, it will print A is greater than B. Else if, that means if A greater than B not satisfied, it will come to your else if part. ELIF, that is else if. So what it will do means it will check B greater than A. So if it is true, then it will print B is greater than A. Okay. So now, wait a minute. So A is greater than B, it will print A is greater than B. If it is not satisfied, it will check the B greater than A. If it is satisfied, it will print B is greater than A. Otherwise, for the numbers, what are the three chances? Greater than, less than, or equal. So else print A and B are equal. A and B are equal. Okay. So I'm repeating, listen here. We are storing in the A variable one value, B variable one value. Computer will come first here. It will check, is A greater than B? Yes. If A greater than B, it will print A is greater than B. Suppose A greater than B not true, it will come to the B greater than A. It will check, is it B greater than A? If it is okay, it is true, then it will print B greater than A. Okay. Otherwise, if both A greater than B, B greater than A not satisfied, it will come to the else part and it will print A and B are equal. We will check it. So now see here, what is A value? 7, B value 11. So what will get? 7, is 7 greater than 11? If you want, listen here. Generally, which output we want? A is greater than B. If it will come here. So what is A value? 7. B value 11. Is 7 greater than 11? No, it is a false. So it will come to the this part. So this condition will won't execute. It will come to here. Now it will check B greater than A. What is the B value? B value 11. A value 7. So 11 greater than 7. So second condition is true. So it will print B is greater than A. Okay. We will check it now. Wait a minute. Shift enter. So what you got? B is greater than A you got. So now we'll change the values. See here, what is the B value? 11. 11 is greater than 7. So therefore that is the reason B is greater than A. That means second part, else if part is executed. Why? Because it is a true. So now what I'm doing means, for example, we change the number. This A you assume as a sum 15. Okay. Now 15 is a greater, A is greater than B. A is a greater than B. That means first part want to be executed. Shift enter. So what you got? A is greater than B. Okay. So now we will make both of them equal. For example, we will make both of them equal. This also will put 5. So A equal to 15, B equal to 15. It will come first A greater than B. 15 greater than 15? No. It will come to second. 15 greater than 15? No. So it will print A and B are equal. We'll check it. Shift enter. So A and B are equal. Okay, like this we can use the if else if statements in Python.